Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
How you doing? What the?
Today,
Man.
I'm gonna tell you about another project I'm gonna be working on.
Another project?
Now, I got a few requests for this particular type of model kit.
Ooh, you gonna
know
do
what
a
I'm
train,
saying?
huh?
And
A space
I
shuttle?
hadn't thought about it because I don't do these types of models.
An airplane?
But I like a challenge. So,
it's a ship, huh?
you know what I'm saying? Shout out to your boy MA. And shout out to Low for Show. Because I think I'm going to do a lowrider. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do a lowrider. Now what I'm going to do is,
Man,
I got this Jimmy Flintstone resin kit. It's a
65
Chevelle wagon.
I said it was a 65.
You know what I'm saying? Two-door.
Two-door.
So it look nice. You know what I'm saying? I had a real problem, a major problem with the front end.
Major problem. How
My
bad
grill?
can it be?
See if I can find my grill.
Come on. A little bit of an exaggeration.
My grill, it wouldn't fit because this part over here is like deformed. You know what I'm saying? So it wouldn't fit right.
Wait.
So what I did,
Should we call someone?
you know what I'm saying? I did what I would do to a regular model.
Oh, you messed
You know,
it up.
I dipped it in some hot water, some real hot water,
Oh.
and try to get that shape back. You know, while it was still hot, you know, I kind of put the grill in there to try to, you know, get that shape.
This boy dumb.
But resin don't work like that, I guess. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
This didn't work like that. Maybe it wasn't hot enough. I don't know. But it didn't work, so it's still deformed.
And you are
And,
telling us this why?
Trying to force the grill in there right, I cracked it right there. I mean, that ain't
Man,
nothing. I
you
can glue
always
that back,
tearing up
but it's still gonna be, you know, deformed. So I had to buy a donor car anyway for this kit.
This is Jimmy Flintstone.
The donor car is a 4-door. This is a 2-door. That's what makes this special. You know what I'm saying? See, it got the one door on each side, 2-door. This is the family wagon, and this is the cruising wagon. You know what I'm saying?
Cruising wagon.
So since I got this donor car, and I'm gonna be using parts off of it anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just cut the front end off of both of them, and I'm gonna put this front end, like not the whole front end, just the tip.
Pause.
And I'm gonna put that on this other model. You know what I'm saying? And it's the same car pretty much. You know what I'm saying?
If by
So
same
it
car,
should
you
work.
mean totally
And
different. I mean, come on.
I think I'll be back on
4-door,
track.
2-door.
And then once I do that, I can get on with this build
resin.
and
It can't be
make me a
any more
lowrider. You know what I'm saying? So like I say, I never done a lowrider before.
Disclaimer.
I haven't thought about doing a lowrider, but I like a challenge. I love a challenge,
Well, may the force
and
be
I'm gonna
with
put my
you.
all into it. So you go get a lowrider.
Gotta put some glue into it.
So like I say, shout out to, you know, your boy MA and Low for Show,
Shout out to y'all.
cause I definitely wouldn't be doing this if y'all hadn't requested this.
See what y'all did.
So I'm gonna do that, and tune in and watch me make my lowrider. Peace.
If this fool just say peace, man, I tell you.